One of the major battles during the Tet Offensive was the Battle of Hue. Hue was an important cultural and historical city in Vietnam. On January 31st, 1968, North Vietnamese and Viet Cong forces launched a surprise attack, capturing the city. The battle went on for about a month, with intense urban combat and heavy casualties on both sides. U.S. Marines and South Vietnamese forces eventually regained control of the city. Now, I'll write a journal entry for Clay in the same style for that day. February 9th, 1968. The cold grip of war has fallen on Hue, her once vibrant colors drowning in the darkness of battle. The city, steeped in history and pride, now forced to weep amid the turmoil. A new front, a sudden jolt of fear, hearts racing to keep up with relentless danger. For days we've fought, clawing back the very essence of this torn land from the shadow of the enemy. Buildings reduced to ruins, once proud symbols reduced to mere rubble, by the relentless advance of North Vietnamese and Viet Cong forces. Every victory paid for in the currency of lives. Heroes now etched in eternity. There are no victors in war, only survivors. The price? Brothers lost, hearts broken. Each name etched in memory, left behind, part of a story written in blood. Recall their laughter before it fades, ghosts of a life before this madness. Navigating treacherous streets, danger slithering in the shadows, I face my fears alongside my brothers in arms. Courage and conviction lead us through the labyrinth, seeking an end to the nightmare we've been thrust into. The ghost of this once great city echoes through our souls, her heartbeat still alive amid the chaos. As the sun fades, casting long shadows across the battlefield, we press on, knowing that our purpose is bound to this fractured city, a day we'll never forget as the fever of war envelops us all. The comrades lost, the struggle persisted, and still we endured, Clay.